Hello everyone, and today we are unboxing the Blackwidow keyboard tournament edition, $100 off Amazon. So sorry about the camera angle, this is the best I could get. Got that nice carrying bag. Ooh, it's actually really well made. Good job, Razer. Nice padding inside too. That is cool.
I have no more video clips, so I'm just gonna put up a picture of a duck while I talk about the keyboard. So the keyboard keys come off, as you know. The click of it is really nice. I love the click. Razer green switches, if anyone was wondering. The cable for the keyboard is detachable, which is really nice, and I can definitely tell it was designed for gamers. The entire program, you can change like macro keys. It has a gaming button, so it turns off the Windows button. So maybe you could use that for a certain keybind in a game. Keycap wobble. There's not too much. I don't know. It's just a really good deal for $100 off Amazon. So hope you guys like this type of style of video. I just wanted to see how it would do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.